Honestly, if I get glitter in my eye, inside my eye, I'm gonna be pissed. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and welcome to my last video of 2019. I cannot believe I'm making this video. I cannot believe it is the end of the year. Time has gone by so fast. Oh my god, I'm old. Anyways, today I have created a very easy and special New Year's Eve look for you guys. I know that everyone's always busting out the glitter for New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to create something fun but really easy that you can create in like half an hour. So yeah, I did that today. I just think this is a very, very cool look. It's very chic, sophisticated, but it's still very fun. It still screams New Year's, and it's very easy to achieve. So if you're looking for some New Year's look inspiration, or you just want to get some glitter on your face no matter what day of the week or the year it is, then please make sure to keep watching because I'm about to show you how to get it. Okay, so to start off, I just want to do something very simple with the eyes. Since all I'm doing is adding glitter, I just want to add a little something to the crease, just to add a little definition. So I'm going in with my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked. I like this one a lot, and just want to add a little something to the crease. Also gonna add a little bit to the lower lash line. Okay, so now that that's done, it's time to move on to the fun part, the glitter. Today, I'm using a mixture of two different glitters. I'm using the NYX Face and Body Glitter in 6. It looks like this, it's kind of holographic. Then I'm using the Lit glitter in Diamond Girl. Looks like this, and it's more of a silvery. You could also do gold or just colorful. I don't know why I chose silver. I'm not a silver person in like everyday life, but I just wanted something different. So I'm gonna mix these two, and I'm gonna apply them as a liner. You could also do them like as an all over the lid glitter. I think that would be super cool, but I'm gonna do a liner today because I don't know, I have a vision, and I really want to make it come true. So let me find my brush. So I'm grabbing a really, really fine brush. I'm also using this liquid sugar from I don't know who, but yeah, this is just like glitter glue, but in a liquid form, so it's gonna make it super easy to make a little bit like a paste, like a liner paste. So I'm just gonna mix both of them, and I'm gonna have glitter everywhere for the rest of my life. Yay! Okay, so once the mixture is successfully made, like I have mine right here, you can start lining. It's literally just doing a line on your eyes. I'm gonna do it a little bit thick. Oh, I just dropped my brush, but yeah, just doing a line on your eyes. You can also do a wing if you want to. I think that would be super cool, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just doing a line because that is gonna look really fun. Before you do this, please make sure that the glitter is actually eye safe. It's made for your eyes, not just common glitter, because that could be a risk for your health and your eyesight. So I am aware that you can do this with like just an actual glitter liner. You don't need to add this like mixture. But you know what? I just wanted to try something new, and I wanted to mix some glitters up. So do not judge me. Okay, and once you have like your initial line, you can wait for that to set and then go in with a second coat to add even like more glitter definition. While I wait for that to dry to add another coat, I'm just gonna add a little bit to my lower lash line because I did a little too much of the mixture and now I don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna grab some of this to my brush, and then I just want to add some glitter to the center below my lashes. Okay, and after we've applied many coats of glitter, all that's left to do is mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara. Not something that will make my lashes super voluminous, more like a lengthening mascara because I do want the glitter to peek through. So we're just gonna add a coat of this to our lashes. Once mascara is on, the look is complete, and I just wanted to share a little tip I have for excess glitter. So if you have any glitter on your face and you want to get rid of it, like I do have quite a bit of glitter, I'm gonna go in with some tape and just remove the glitter from my face. Very easy, very simple, and it's gonna save your life, trust me. For my face primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I just want something that'll make my skin look very flawless. but nothing too heavy. So for the face, you have a few options. I'm gonna be at the beach for New Year's, so I want something that's gonna make me look like my skin is covered and even, but I don't want something that is gonna be super full coverage because it's gonna be hot, I'm gonna be sweating and stuff. But if you're going to like a New Year's party or something like that and you wanna look flawless, you can go for super full coverage. I'm just gonna keep it to a light medium coverage, honestly, like I always do, but more so because I'm gonna be at the beach. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover in 120, and I'm just gonna apply this very lightly, starting in the areas that I feel like I need the most coverage and then blending it out to the perimeter of my face. Once foundation's done, I'm moving on to concealer. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I do like a little bit more coverage on my under eyes because they are very hardcore. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this, not a lot, just in the areas that I really need it, being careful with the glitter that we've already applied. Once we're done with our concealer, I'm just gonna set everything lightly with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in medium 25. And yeah, I'm just gonna lightly dust this everywhere. I just wanna set, don't wanna make myself look too powdery. Before moving on to my cheeks, I'm just gonna do my brows very quickly. I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Grind. And yeah, I just wanna define my brows a little bit. I don't wanna do a lot to them since I want the focus to stay on the eyes. Once that's done, let's move on to the cheeks. I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer again, just a little bit of definition. Going back in with the Baked Bronzer by Milk, and I'm using a stipple brush. Just adding this to like my cheekbones and anywhere that the sun naturally hits. And then just to add a little bit of blush, I'm going into my Nude Sticks Nudies in the Nude Blush, which I love so much. It's kind of peachy, but for the most part, neutral. And I'm just gonna apply this to the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I think New Year's is just the perfect time to bust out a glittery highlight that you're too skeptical to wear throughout the whole year. I am using my Fenty How Many Carats Diamond Bomb because this is so beautiful, but it is very glittery. This is just straight up glitter. So I'm just gonna apply this to the cheekbones and we're gonna glow like a lot. I'm just gonna add a little to the brow bone. And a little to the inner corners. If you really wanted to, you could also go in with your glitter mixture and just add a little bit of like freckly bits if you're into that, or maybe you're going to like a fun party, concert, whatever you're doing. That could be a great option, but I'm just gonna be chilling, so I think that is enough glitter for me and I really love it. Now let's move on to the lips. Now for lips, again, you could really do whatever you wanted because this is, even though it's like glitter, it's kind of a very neutral look in a weird sense. So you could do whatever you wanted lip-wise, but again, I'm just gonna keep to a minimum gloss because I just want the focus to be on the eyes. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao because I want to look very pouty this New Year's. And then on top of that, I'm going into the Dose of Colors Over the Top Gloss. I know this has gold glitter. I don't mind. Just let's do a little clashing. But I really love this gloss, so I'm just gonna apply it. Boom, and there we have it, folks. That is the New Year's look. Let's just set everything with our Urban Decay eyeshadow. What? Let's just set everything with our All Nighter by Urban Decay, and then we will be officially done. Okay guys, let's bring you in a little closer and see what is up. This is a look up close. What do you guys think? I really love it. I love the eyes. I find that using like actual loose chunky glitter really gives it a different look from, let's say, if you used a glitter liner. I think it could be very similar, but I really love the chunkiness of this. The glitter in the lower lash line I think was a good touch as well. It's just very simple, it's clean, but it's still like glitter, you know, so it's fun. The face is very easy as well, very natural. You could definitely amp it up, glam it up if you're going on a different setting than me, but for the beach, I think this is freaking great. I love the cheeks. I love them, and I love that highlighter because even though it's glittery, since you have so much glitter on the eyes, you can't really tell. So lips, again, very easy, very simple, but I really love this gloss, and I really love how it makes my lips look. So I think overall this was a beautiful, beautiful look, and I hope it works for you guys as well. I hope you recreate it, and I hope you love it. Okay, you guys, that is it for the video. What did you think of the look? Did you love it, hate it? I'm really into it, but please let me know in the comments what you thought. And also, let me know what your New Year's plans are gonna be, and if you're gonna be glittering it up, or you're just gonna be sitting at home watching Hallmark movies. Just let me know. I always love to know what's up with you guys. And I just really wanted to say thank you for such a wonderful year. My channel grew so much this year. I grew a lot this year, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you for watching my videos and enjoying my content. I really appreciate that you guys take the time to watch my videos and engage with me on my Instagram as well. I'm just very, very, very thankful for that. And I hope to see you here next year because there's gonna be so much more growth and so much more like newness and cool things happening. And I really want to share that journey with you. So yeah, I really hope you stick with me for the next year. It will be such an honor to share it with you guys. And yeah, I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you had so much fun, and I will definitely see you next year for a new video. Oh my god, I can't believe that. But yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you next year. I just said that, but I'm mind blown. Mind blown, okay? I don't even know what to say anymore. So I'm just gonna leave you because I'm just making a bye. I love you.